Hey folks, welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is Harsh and in this video I am going to unbox the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Gold Kit. So let me unbox it quickly. So herein you can see that as soon as I open the box, there is a certificate and a sticker kept at the top. So you can have a glance at the certificate and let me show you the sticker as well, which says Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Gold with 3 stars on it. And let me show you the certificate from Pablo as well. So he is a global program lead and this is how the certificate looks. And therein after this I am having a bag, which is a cool bag at first glance. One more thing, like this bag is also having a gold badge which is saying Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and this is something pretty amazing as per the details which are there on the bag. Let me keep the box aside, and I'm feeling there's something in the bag as well, so let me see what are the things which are present in there. There is this pouch, which is a nice pouch having a Microsoft branding on it, and opening it I found that there is a mask which says Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador as well, and there is a tag for the badge which we got in the beta kit. So this is a tag which is also having the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador and the Microsoft branding on it, and this is a pouch which can be used for keeping the cables and stuff like that. And there is one more thing, let me see. So yeah, there's another light which is from Loom Cube, and it is a video conferencing light which can be used by attaching it to the computer or PC. Let me get the light out as well. So you can see over here that the light is having a custom Microsoft branding on it, and apart from the light there are two cables, one is for charging and one is the OTG cable if you want to convert the port. Let me keep them aside. And for the light you can see over here that it is having a custom Microsoft branding with a vacuum kit attached to it, through which you can stick this light on any surface. And let me turn the light on. So herein you can see that it is quite bright and can help you lighten up your face when you are in a conference or a call. Apart from that, there is also a mini window on the light which displays the percentage of the battery remaining, the temperature of the light, and the time for which the light would be on, like the light would be working. These were all the things which I got in this kit, and the kit was pretty amazing as compared to the beta kit which we got. And one more thing, like if you want to go for the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador community, then I would surely suggest you to go out and apply for the same. So the applications are open throughout the year and the selections are made every 3 months, so make sure to apply for the same. You can check out my other video which I made some time back, where I have told about the question and the answer for the same, and you can look at it for a reference. And that was pretty much it for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one.